everybody, welcome in today's Edukemy session. So my name is Praveen Chauve. I am here to discuss last 40 years question paper from geography. Okay, so this is the series we are going to start from today onwards, where we will discuss each and every question and we will talk about strategy and what method you should choose how to attempt a different types of question. Okay, as you see, prelims past year question series from 1979 to 2024. So most of you, what you are doing mistake now, you are just go through last 5 years of question paper. Okay, we should know what was the question they asked in 10 years back, 20 years back. Okay, that we are going to discuss in today's class. Okay, so let's start. The first thing, this is a geography and we are going to cover a topic called rivers. River is one of the most important topic in geography. You see, in every year there will be around 1 or 2 questions from river. Now, what is the main purpose of this video here? You have to understand the pattern. You have to understand the trend. कि आज से 20 साल पहले जैसा क्वेश्चन पूछता था, क्या आज वैसा क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है या नहीं, इस पे हमें फोकस करना है. ओके, नाउ little bit I will talk about our past year question series that from today onwards we are going to start. This will be a past year question paper where we will discuss question from 1979 to 2024. This will be a 45 year. This is the first time where we discuss the last 45 year of question paper. Okay. Now theme wise, like as you see in today's class, I am going to discuss about river. Okay, then we will talk about mountains. Then we will talk about important tribes of India, important hill station of different part of the world, that we will cover from theme wise and subject wise topics. Each and every topic we will discuss elaborately and we will try to understand what type of question UPSC asks from each and every topic. Okay. Now same question for attempting the past year question portal. Okay. What you have to do, you have to attempt the question. You just visit the website, Edukemy website, and you will find the questions are already uploaded. You go and attempt it. Link is in the description. When you see the way how to reach a particular website or same location, we have to find the link in a given description. And GS classes notes complimentary, that we also provide a GS class notes along with this. Now this is all about for our discussion. Now the first question that I am going to discuss today from 1981. See, it was in 1981 the first question asked in geography. Himalayan rivers are perennial. Why? Because, okay, why Himalaya river is a perennial? Now, this question is relevant in present time also. If you will see different types of rivers in India, we basically divide Indian river system in 2 parts. One is called Himalayan river system and second is called your peninsular river system. So what makes a difference between Himalayan river and peninsular river? One word, that's called perennial. Perennial means where water is present throughout the year. So why there is a reason why there is a Himalayan river is always called a perennial. ये बहुत important है. So one thing is you have to understand the keyword perennial because of where water is present throughout the year. And you see most of the river like Indus river, okay, that originate from the glacier. Ganga river that originate from the glacier, then Brahmaputra river that originate from the glacier. These all rivers are originate from the Himalaya and these rivers are called a perennial. Okay, means water is present throughout the year. Now what is the reason behind for perennial? Okay, what is the reason? The 2 reasons. First, in summer season, as you see in summer season, this water always get water from the glaciers because glaciers melt. In summer season में क्या होता है, glaciers melt होता है, जिसकी वजह से क्या होता है, water is present in this river. Second is your monsoon. Okay, during monsoon season what happen? Monsoon bring a rainfall and that bring a water in these rivers. So 2 reasons why we call it as perennial river. First option is they flow from inexhaustibly springs in the Himalaya. Okay, so can we say this is correct about the perennial? No. They are fed in summer by melting snow of Himalaya. Yes, this is correct. There is a continuous rain throughout the year in the catchment area, or 4, none of the above. Why they are perennial? Because of the reason here, they are fed in summer by melting snow of Himalaya. So option 2 is the correct answer. Option 2 is the correct answer. So river originates from snow-capped glacier and mountain in Himalaya. Water supply means the water supply is from snow, and second is like there is also one reason called monsoon. So what are the example of Himalayan rivers? Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra. These are some example of your Indus, we can say Himalayan rivers. Now let's move to the second question. The river which originate between Vindhya and Satpura ranges. Let's understand the question. Okay. So what we know, this is called Vindhya range and this is called a Satpura range. Now between this Satpura range and Vindhya range, we know Rift Valley is present. Okay. And this Rift Valley is an example of block mountain. So how block mountain is formed? Now this is the, you see two mountain system, and in middle of two mountain you see Rift Valley, or because of the tensional force applied here, so that causes a crack, okay, and result in the middle portion is subside downward, so that create a Rift Valley. So between Vindhya and Satpura range, which river is flowing? So here Narmada, Tapi, Mahanadi, Godavari. So correct answer is option A, Narmada. See, in exam they will ask you question, which of the following river flow in the Rift Valley? So here both Narmada and Tapi river both flow in Rift Valley. Most of the student will be confused with the option number 2 also, because this Tapi river flows south of the Satpura range. Okay, so don't confuse. You have to see a map, must see Indian map, physical map. आपको बार बार देखना होगा रिवर्स का ओरिजिन कहां से हो रहा है, किस किस दो माउंटेन के बीच में फ्लो हो रहा है. That is the most important thing. Now next important thing is about Brahmaputra is an example of dash drainage. So it was in 1989. The question was asked in 1989. So can we say it's an annular drainage system, antecedent drainage system, dendritic drainage system, or radial drainage system? You have to understand what is the meaning of this annular drainage system. So annular drainage system is something we call as like circular. Okay, it's called cyclic. This is called circular drainage system. What is called antecedent? What is called dendritic? So dendritic drainage system, you see most of the river in northern plains that resemble like a tree-like structure. Okay, this is the tree-like structure you see in northern India. Most of the river in Ganga plain. Can we say Brahmaputra that originate from and it move like this? This is the pattern of Brahmaputra river, and between, see here a mountain, Himalaya mountain is present. Antecedent rivers are those rivers which originate before the origin of Himalaya. Okay, what is antecedent river? Antecedent river are those rivers which originate before the origin of Himalaya, like Brahmaputra, Indus, Ganga, Kosi river. These all rivers are example of antecedent river. So we can say Brahmaputra an example of antecedent drainage system. Option 2 is the correct answer. It is not annular, it's not show any circular pattern, it not show any dendritic, means it is not river branches of tree like structure. Radial means something where a river originates from the top of the mountain and it flow in all directions. Like a best example here is Amarkantak. Amarkantak, where you see river, Son river, Mahanadi river, Narmada river originate. So it's look like a completely a radial. Okay, where river originate from all directions, from the top of the mountain. So correct answer here is option 2. Now in this case you have to understand the types of drainage pattern in India. Okay, each and every river in India follow different drainage pattern. So whenever you read NCERT or class notes, you always keep this point in your mind that you have to follow the geographical structure of the land surface and what pattern is followed by the river. Because UPSC, see this was a question in 1989, maybe in 2025 or in coming years, they will ask you more question based on the same concept, antecedent river, because it's relevant today also. Now we'll move to the next question here. So this is just explanation about antecedent river are those that maintain its original course pattern despite change in the underlying rock topography. So you know the mountain building process is very slow process. So river get a time. It also erode and form the gorges. And this is the reason how river continues its path despite presence of huge lofty mountain is present. Some example are including Brahmaputra river, Indus river, Satluj river, Kosi. There are a lot of good examples are here, and I will request you to go through this all river and try to know their tributaries and origin from where it originate. So antecedent streams are discordant with the rocks over which they flow, and slow mountain building allowed stream erosion to keep pace with the uplift. So slow mountain building process. Mountain building process we call as very slow process. It's not visible. Now this is how a mountain is originate. So it's a very slow process. So that's why this river get times and keep pace with the uplift of the mountain. Okay. Now next thing is, again I am going to talk about our PSP program. This will be a 45% of enrolled student qualified for 2024 prelims also in our batches. Those who are means enrolled, among them 45% already qualified. Okay, in prelims exam 50% of question directly from our PSP series. So we can say yes, you go through all this video, try to understand the question. Why? What is the main purpose of this entire video is to know how to attempt a question, how to eliminate the wrong options. Okay, then attempt with the more confidence. You will be a more confidence, boost accuracy. Accuracy is the most important thing. Okay, out of the 100 question you are attempting, suppose 75 question out of the 100 in GS paper 1. So you should know out of 75 whatever question you attempted, at least 3 to 4 question is just you keep error. Okay, the rest of the question means 70 question you must mark correct. So such accuracy level is required to attempt a question in prelims exam. Okay. Now next important thing about the prelims support program include your practice test and analysis test. Okay, that sheet will provide you a good analysis. Okay, this will also marathon sessions from each and every topic we will cover. Okay, book reading sessions, how to read a book. Okay, what topic you should always keep in your mind while reading a book. Okay, then revision sessions, there will be also revision session for each and every video, after each and every video. Okay, sectional test will be also provided. Full length test will be, because if once you go through a sectional test, then you will go full length test. फुल लेंथ टेस्ट तभी आप कर पाओगे अच्छा से जब आप सेक्शनल टेस्ट को अच्छा से करोगे. फॉर व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सेक्शनल टेस्ट? इट मींस फॉर एग्जांपल आई विल नॉट गोइंग टू टेक entire Indian geography in one test. I will give you some topics like river will be our next test. Okay, so there will be a question only from the river. Then UPSC mixed test. Okay, there will be a question from different subjects. Okay, current affair revision is very important, because you know geography, polity, economy, environment, science and technology, everywhere a current affair is important. You know basic static portion, but current affair is also very important. If you don't know current affair, then how you able to answer? Then CSAT support program will be also include, because most students who are doing very good in GS paper 1, but they neglecting, they are not giving so much time on CSAT paper. So that's the most important purpose here. Personalized mentorship, one-to-one mentorship will be provided. That guide, we will guide you where you are, what topic you should follow, okay, from where you should read. Then test discussion is also very important, and Prayas All India mock test. Then finally you are going to attempt All India mock test, where you will understand, you will see your rank as per what is your rank in All India level. So these are the very good things about the what PSP program we are going to start. So which of the following east flowing river of India has rift valley due to the down warping? See, again, whenever you see a question, okay, what is important here? Understand the keyword. Can you say this 1998, this question was asked in 1998, can this question is relevant in present context? Yes. Damodar river is very important. It flow through an entire Chota Nagpur plateau. Okay, it cut Chota Nagpur plateau in 2 equal halves. And this is the river also flow through a rift valley. Not only Narmada and Tapi river flow rift valley, the Damodar river also flow in rift valley. Even Son river also. So Damodar river, which of the following east flowing, and the most important east flowing river. So east flowing river means we are talking about the river which directly drain into Bay of Bengal. Okay, west flowing river that drain into Arabian Sea is called west flowing river, and river that drain into Bay of Bengal is called your east flowing river. So here you see Mahanadi river, Son river and Yamuna. So Son river and Yamuna river both are the tributary of Ganga river. So they are not directly drain into any of the Bay of Bengal or Arabian Sea, and Mahanadi is the directly drain into Bay of Bengal. So we can say which of the following will be the correct. So logically Damodar river down warping means because of the location where folding is happened. So this is called a down warping, means subsidence of the land surface because of the compressive force is applying. So this is called down warping. So Damodar is the correct answer here. Okay, so Damodar flow through a rift valley, which is a result of down warping. It is one of the prominent river in India known flowing through such a valley in its eastern course. So try to understand the pattern of the question. Most important here, not to solve question here, you just see what type of question is about, why this question was asked, why the option were given. Options are just create a confusion in your mind. So in that case, if you are not confident with your subject, if you are not confident with your study, then how you will going to attempt all these questions. Okay, next important thing is, now this is the assertion region based question in 2004. So you can expect a one, maybe in 2025 prelims they will ask you assertion region based question. So west flowing river of peninsular India have no deltas. So try to understand the concept here, deltas. So we can say if river is flowing like this, it form a deltas. So forming a delta required a long river. The path of the river should be a long. Then we can say a river must carry a sediments. Okay, river must carry a sediments. And third important thing is, while a flowing river जब flow करा तो उसके journey में, उसके path में there should not be any type of ना depression, big or deep depression. अगर कोई भी river के flow कर रहा है उस बीच में अगर गड्ढा होगा तो all the sediment will be deposited here and no delta will be formed. So in that case, west flowing rivers, as we know in India, you see the most important thing is about most of the river that flow west flowing rivers, they are very short journey. They cover a very short path. Okay, they drain into Arabian Sea because they originate from the Western Ghat. So they are not carry a lot of sediment and the speed of the river is very high. So can we say west flowing river of Peninsular India have no delta? Yes, this is correct. Instead of delta, they form estuaries. What they form? Estuaries they form. This is important to know what is estuaries, where a river water mixes with your sea water, that's called estuaries. So this is the assertion. Can we give a reason for this? This river do not carry any alluvial sediment. Yes, this is the correct, because these rivers are not carry any alluvial sediments and the path is very shorter. That's why they are not formed any a delta. So we can say both A and R individually true, and R is the correct explanation of A. West flowing river. This is what east flowing rivers are forming a delta like Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Ganga, Brahma. These rivers are forming a very large delta because of they carry a sediments. Okay, the next question here is, which one of the following river originate in Amarkantak? So where Amarkantak is located? If you see, this is the Vindhya mountain. Okay, this is the Vindhya mountain. This is the Satpura mountain. Okay, this is the Satpura mountain. So this is called Mekal range here. This is Mekal range. In Mekal range, one mountain is called peak is called Amarkantak peak is present. So from here Amarkantak, this is the Mekal range. From Mekal range, river originate. Okay, Narmada river one originate that flow between Vindhya mountain and Satpura mountain. One river also originates from Mekal range called Son river, and one more originate from, that is called Mahanadi river. So this Mahanadi river originates from Mekal range, not from Amarkantak. So which of the following river originates from Amarkantak? So correct answer will be Damodar. See, Damodar is given option because also Damodar very close. Okay, so that's Damodar is not the correct answer. Okay, Mahanadi, because Mahanadi is also originated from Mekal range, not from Amarkantak. Tapi originate from Satpura. Okay, this is the from here Satpura river Tapi originate. So see how all options are very close to each other. आपको यही समझना है कि ऑप्शंस बहुत ही कंफ्यूजन वाले हैं एग्जाम में. दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई आई एम always suggesting you to always go through a map. Don't read only. Okay, draw a map. इंडिया का मैप बनाओ, माउंटेन्स बनाओ, ठीक है. वहां पर देखो कहां से रिवर ओरिजिनेट हो रही है, किस दो माउंटेन के बीच में से ओरिजिनेट हो रही है, कितने लोकेशन, कितने दूरी पे, व्हाट नेशनल पार्क आर प्रेजेंट, विच प्रोटेक्टेड एरियाज प्रेजेंट इन रिवर्स. तो वो सारी चीजों को ध्यान देते हुए अभी के टाइम पे यू हैव टू सॉल्व. So correct answer here is option C. Narmada is the correct answer. Okay. See the type of question. Type of question are very important here. Now, which of the following river does not originate in India? Beas, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj. See, again very conceptual based question where you should know all rivers are example of tributary of Indus river. Now we know Beas river, Chenab river, Ravi or Satluj. So you always remember the map whenever you face such type of question in exam. So what thing come first in our mind is map of Indus river. अब इंडस रिवर का मैप अगर आप अच्छे से नहीं देखें, अच्छे से नहीं समझे हैं, तो व्हाट इट विल क्रिएट, इट क्रिएट अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. ओके, यू शुड नो दैट ऑल थ्री ऑप्शंस, ब्यास, चेनाब रिवर, ऑल ओरिजिनेट विद इन इंडिया. रिवर विच नॉट ओरिजिनेट इंडिया इज कॉल्ड सतलज रिवर. सतलज रिवर ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम मानसरोवर लेक. ओके, समवेयर मानसरोवर लेक and enter in India through Shipkila. Okay, Shipkila, this is the Satluj river enter. Okay, so out of the four options, Satluj river which not originate in India. Now I am guessing one more question on the same pattern. Maybe they will ask you which of the following river are originate India and not mixed with Indus River, not join Indus River, not join as a tributary of Indus River. Try to understand the question what I am trying to ask. Which of the following river originate within India but not join Indus River? So here Beas River originate in India, within India, but it not join any Indus River, it join the Satluj River within India. इंडिया में ही ओरिजिनेट होता है और इंडिया में ही वो सतलज रिवर को ज्वाइन कर लेता है, इंडिया से बाहर जाता नहीं है. तो ये एक प्रोबेबल क्वेश्चन है कि मे बी ऑन द सेम पैटर्न इन 2009 they will ask you the same pattern question in coming prelims exam. Now this is the Beas Rohtang Pass. This is the some tributaries name. You should remember Chenab River, Indus, Jhelum, Ravi, Satluj. This is how you have to remember. कहां से रिवर ओरिजिनेट हो रहा है, उसका क्या जर्नी है. Next question is with reference to the river Luni, which one of the following statement is correct? Now Luni River, this is a repeated question. ये already पूछ चुका है. 2009-10 में पूछा है and again in 2015-16 में इसमें फिर से प्रीलिम्स से पूछा हुआ है कि लूनी रिवर के बारे में. Now you see Luni River, it flow into Gulf of Kambat. Can we say it flow into Gulf of Kambat? It flow in Gulf of Kutch. Can we say it flow in Gulf of Kutch? It flow into Pakistan, merged with the tributary of Indus, or it lost its marshy land of the river, land of the run of Kutch. तो यहां पर लूनी रिवर का पूछने का सिंपल सा मकसद ये है कि बिकॉज लूनी रिवर इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ एफिमेरल रिवर. व्हाट इज दिस एफिमेरल रिवर? ऐसा रिवर को एफिमेरल रिवर कहते हैं जो कि किसी भी वाटर बॉडीज को कनेक्ट नहीं करता, दैट इनलैंड ड्रेन हो जाता है. ठीक है. सो हियर द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी. As you see in the map, river originates from the west of Aravalli mountain and it flow and mix with the run of Kutch. ठीक है, run of Kutch में mix हो जा रहा है. It's not even drain into Arabian Sea, not even Gulf of Kambat, Gulf of Kutch. It not go outside India, so there is no any question कि वो पाकिस्तान में जाकर मर्ज होगा. तो ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछने का रीजन क्या है? UPSC want to know whether a candidate have proper understanding of particular river system or not. कि आपने सिर्फ रट्टा मार, ये क्वेश्चन रट्टा मारने से नहीं होगा, ये क्वेश्चन को सिर्फ आपने याद कर लिया इससे नहीं होगा. दिस क्वेश्चन रिक्वायर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ डीप अंडरस्टैंडिंग. सी ट्राई टू मेक मोर क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द सेम पैटर्न. इसी पैटर्न से कुछ और क्वेश्चंस बनाया जा सकता है. तो दैट इज द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग हियर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हियर इज टू इंपॉर्टेंट रिवर्स. सी दिस इज अगेन व्हेन यू रीड द क्वेश्चन इट क्रिएट अ लॉट ऑफ कंफ्यूजन इन योर माइंड. इसका आंसर वही कर सकता है जिसको पूरा अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, बोथ रिवर सिस्टम के बारे में पता है एंड यू नो अबाउट दी ऑल द प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया नेटवर्क ऑफ इंडिया. मींस टाइगर रिजर्व आपको पता है, नेशनल पार्क आपको पता है, वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज पता है, उनका जो लोकेशन है वहां से विच रिवर इज फ्लोइंग, यू नो एवरीथिंग. देन such type of question you can attempt correctly. Read the question carefully. What is saying that two important rivers, दो important rivers है, one with its source in Jharkhand, एक का सोर्स झारखंड में है. ठीक है. एंड नोन बाय अ डिफरेंट नेम इन उड़ीसा. दिस फर्स्ट थिंग कीप इन कम इन योर माइंड कि ऐसा कौन सा रिवर है जो झारखंड से ओरिजिनेट हो रही है और उड़ीसा में जा रही है जिसको दूसरे नाम से जाना जाता है. ठीक है. एंड अनदर विथ इट्स सोर्स इन उड़ीसा merge at the place only short distance from the coast of Bay of Bengal before flowing into the sea. मतलब see this is a pattern how UPSC changed. Completely ये 2011 में क्वेश्चन पूछा है. From 2011 onwards you see the level of question is will be very different. अब UPSC जो है कि straight forward question नहीं पूछ रहा, conceptual based question पूछ रहा कि whether you have a holistic understanding of particular concept or not. So see here two important rivers के बारे में पूछा है. एक तो ओरिजिनेट हो रहा झारखंड में, अनदर विच इज नोन बाय डिफरेंट नेम इन उड़ीसा, अनदर रिवर ओरिजिनेट इन उड़ीसा एंड बोथ मर्ज, एक जगह मर्ज कर रहे हैं बिफोर अ शॉर्ट बे ऑफ बंगाल. बे ऑफ बंगाल से कुछ ही दूर पे शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस पे दे मर्ज एंड दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट साइट वेयर वाइल्ड लाइफ एंड बायोडाइवर्सिटी. अब यहाँ पर गेस करना कैसा, दो रिवर का नाम जो कि इंपॉर्टेंट साइट भी है, वाइल्ड लाइफ एंड बायोडाइवर्सिटी एंड प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया, वो एक प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया भी है. सो विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग could be this, क्या हो सकता है इसमें बेस्ट. सो फर्स्ट इज योर भितरकनिका, चांदीपुर ऑन सी, गोपालपुर ऑन सी और सिमलीपाल. सो आउट ऑफ दिस फोर you have to guess the name of the place which is also a protected area. थोड़ा बहुत आप गेस करने जाओगे तो आपको सिर्फ ऑप्शन ए और ऑप्शन डी में आप अटक जाओगे। ऑप्शन ए और डी में लगेगा कि भाई कि दोनों तो प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया है, तो वो कौन सा साइट है जहां पर दो रिवर मिलती भी है? ओके, तो वो कौन सा साइट है? सो करेक्ट आंसर इज योर भितरकनिका। भितरकनिका इज द करेक्ट आंसर। Okay, so Brahmani, the name of the two rivers is Brahmani and Baitarani river meet near the coast of Bay of Bengal. The Brahmani originate in Jharkhand while the Baitarani originate in Odisha. In Odisha, the Brahmani is sometimes referred by different local names. तो ये आपको पता होना चाहिए, these two rivers, the name of these two rivers, you should also prepare this two river for upcoming prelims exam, because पूछ सकता है आपके एग्जाम में फिर से इसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन। ओके, सो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर? भितरकनिका इज द करेक्ट आंसर। Simlipal is a tiger reserve. Chandipur on sea is a very famous location for tidal. Okay, Gopalpur on sea is also one of the most important site in Odisha. Okay, तो ये सारे डिस्क्रिप्शन दिए हुए हैं। Simlipal tiger reserve within the Mayurbhanj district. It is surrounded by plateau and hills. The highest peak being the twin peaks of Khairibor and Begasini. ठीक है, so this description you should read. Okay, Chandipur beach is in Odisha, a unique beach known for its टाइडल फेनोमेना। ओके, टाइडल फेनोमेना, ये अब देखो ऑप्शन से ही आपको पढ़ना है। मे बी नेक्स्ट टाइम दे विल आस्क यू क्वेश्चन ओके अबाउट द टाइडल फेनोमेना, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग साइट इज नोन फॉर अ टाइडल फेनोमेना इन ओडिशा। ओके, ऐसे पूछ सकता है, तो आपको ऑप्शंस को इग्नोर नहीं करना। ऑप्शंस को जितने भी ऑप्शंस में दिए गए हैं उसी बेसिस पे आपको प्रिपरेशन करना है। सो गोपालपुर ऑन सी इज अ कोस्टल टाउन ऑन द ईस्ट कोस्ट ऑफ इंडिया ऑन द बे ऑफ बंगाल। इट इज अबाउट 160 किलोमीटर साउथ ऑफ पारादीप एंड 26 किलोमीटर नॉर्थ ऑफ विशाखापट्टनम। सो यहाँ पर दो नाम आप देख रहे हैं, दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सी मेजर सी पोर्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया। मेजर सी पोर्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया का है, ठीक है, 260 किलोमीटर नॉर्थ ऑफ विशाखापट्टनम। सो हो सकता है कि आने वाले एग्जाम में आपसे पूछ देगा इनका लोकेशन। ओके, वेयर इज लोकेटेड, क्योंकि नॉर्थ साउथ ऐसा यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स में पूछते रहता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 हियर, द नर्मदा रिवर फ्लो टू द वेस्ट व्हाइल मोस्ट अदर लार्ज पेनिनसुलर रिवर फ्लो टू द ईस्ट, व्हाई? देखिए क्वेश्चन बहुत ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, बहुत ही कंसेप्चुअल बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है, एंड इन दैट केस यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड पैटर्न ऑफ क्वेश्चन। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन में ऑलरेडी उन्होंने जवाब दे दिया है, कहा है कि नर्मदा रिवर फ्लो टू द वेस्ट। ये बात तो ठीक है, नर्मदा रिवर फ्लो वेस्ट में हो रही है, while most of the other large peninsular river like Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, these are the most important peninsular river, they flow to the east। ऐसा क्यों होता है कि why this river is flowing very eastern or western, okay, why there is a difference? So let's read the first option, it occupy linear rift valley, जो कि हमने पिछले टॉपिक्स को कवर किया, जिसमें पता चला कि हाँ यस नर्मदा रिवर इज फ्लो बिटवीन। देखिए एक बार 1980 में पूछा क्वेश्चन, 85 में पूछा क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिवर फ्लो बिटवीन विंध्या एंड सतपुड़ा। अगर आप किसी ने पास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर को एनालिसिस करके पढ़ा होगा और नर्मदा रिवर को बहुत अच्छे से स्टडी किया होगा तो वो आसान से इस क्वेश्चन का जवाब दे देगा। ठीक है, दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई वी शुड नो पास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज वी नो यूपीएससी नॉट रिपीट द एग्जैक्ट क्वेश्चन, बट यूपीएससी ऑलवेज रिपीट द टॉपिक्स, कि ये टॉपिक्स बार बार आता है, बार बार पूछता है। तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, इट ऑक्यूपाई लीनियर रिफ्ट वैली। सेकंड, इट फ्लो बिटवीन द विंध्या एंड सतपुड़ा। यस, दिस इज द करेक्ट। कैन वी से दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई नर्मदा इज फ्लोइंग वेस्टवर्ड नॉट ईस्टवर्ड? क्या ये एक रीजन है इसका कि वेस्टवर्ड में फ्लो हो रहा है? ओके, क्योंकि ये क्रिएट अ कंफ्यूजन एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द कैंडिडेट विल चूज बिटवीन 1 and 2, बिकॉज द थर्ड ऑप्शन स्टेटमेंट इज सेइंग दैट द लैंड स्लोप ऑफ द वेस्ट फ्रॉम सेंट्रल इंडिया। क्या लैंड स्लोप इस तरह से वेस्ट है, की तरफ है, सेंट्रल इंडिया से वेस्ट की तरफ सारी रिवर जा रही है, इसलिए नर्मदा फ्लो हो रही है? ऐसा तो नहीं है, बिकॉज ऐसा रहता तो मोस्ट ऑफ द गोदावरी, कृष्णा, कावेरी इंस्टेड ऑफ फ्लोइंग ईस्ट फ्लोइंग ओके बे ऑफ बंगाल में ड्रेन करने के बदले ये लोग कहां करते हैं, अरेबियन सी में करते हैं। लेकिन यहाँ ऐसा तो नहीं है, तो ऑप्शन स्टेटमेंट 3 को हम कंप्लीटली डिस्कार्ड कर देंगे। ओके, नो, स्टेटमेंट नॉट 3 इज करेक्ट, बट you will be confused between option 1 and 2, but when you will see here which of the following is the correct, there is no any option 1 and 2 is given, so obviously your choice will be option 1 only। okay, क्योंकि अगर यहाँ 1 and 2 रहता तो कहीं ना कहीं कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है। yes, as this statement 2 is also correct, विंध्या एंड सतपुड़ा के बीच में ही फ्लो हो रही है, but it is not the reason behind why west flowing, it reason only is rift valley। okay, rift valley, that's why Narmada and Tapi river both flowing westward। okay, so try to understand the question here। now again consider the following pairs। okay, this is again a match the following type question। okay, match the following type question होता है कि which of the following pairs are correctly matched here, correct कौन सा है? so can we say Chambal, is the tributary of Narmada. Chambal कहाँ पर, नर्मदा कहाँ पर, दोनों में difference. Narmada river is present. Okay, south. Okay, Vindhya river. This is the Vindhya mountain is present. Chambal river originate and it moved northward. So obviously both are not matched correctly. Son river and Yamuna. So Yamuna river is flowing like this, and this is the Ganga river. So Yamuna join Ganga river. Okay. Then Son originate from Amarkantak, okay, Mekal range, and join Ganga river. So obviously both will be not a good choice. Though both are not matched properly. Manas river and Brahmaputra. Yes, Manas river and Brahmaputra. Manas is the, we can say, tributary of Brahmaputra river. So obviously option D is the only correct answer. Okay. Okay, so this is the first part where we discussed about 10 to 12 questions from the past year. In second video again we will come and discuss a question from river system. Okay. I hope you will understand the pattern of question and how, what approach you should follow to attempt a question and how to eliminate wrong option. So we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you everyone.